In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically log a receipt. Let's get started. The redesigned Photos app in iOS 18 has received quite a bit of criticism over the past 6 months, and a lot of it is probably deserved. But one new feature that I think is genuinely great is the ability to automatically categorize your receipts. Previously, if you wanted to organize receipts, you'd either have to tag them manually or export them to another app like Notes in Iowa State. Your iPhone automatically recognizes and categorizes receipts without any effort on your part, and you can easily find them in a dedicated folder. Here's how to do it. Open the Photos app and scroll down until you see the Utility section. If you don't see this, scroll all the way to bottom of the Photos app. Tap Customize and Reorder and make sure that Utilities is enabled. Once you're in Utilities, provided you've got receipts saved in your Photos app, you'll see a receipts category with a number indicating how many there are. Tap on this and all your receipt photos will be grouped together. Your phone also does this for QR codes and documents containing handwriting, making it much easier to organize and find specific types of content. Now we are going to second iPhone tip called Record a Phone Call. There's a feature in the phone app that allows you to record phone conversations when you want to call. You'll notice an icon in the upper left corner that looks like an audio waveform with a record button. Tap on this and the notification will play to everyone on the call, letting them know that the conversation is about to be recorded. Once the recording starts, you'll see a small recording icon on the screen. You can stop the recording at any time by pressing the stop button or simply end the call and the recording will stop automatically. After the call, a transcript of the recording will be saved in a dedicated call recordings folder in the Notes app. You can tap into this. You don't need to notify anyone, it just works seamlessly. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to iPhone Insider for more quick iPhone tricks, hidden features, and smart tips to get the most out of your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.